this is banana peelings. She's spreading it on fire, as you can see. So that spreading, she's now is going to bring in a very nice aroma to the meat. I don't know, I didn't tell you, matoke is mostly enjoyed here with meat. Although it can go in with any other food, I will find out which other foods they can eat it with. But for this case, the aroma is already even coming, it's smelling nice. So she's now going to put in the wire mesh, that wire mesh, and then she will now place in the meat. Like that. So there is some slight smoke that comes out from the burning matoke. It's a slow process, but the result is really awesome. I don't know whether you are able to see some smokes coming out. That smoke is the one that comes in with that aroma, that when you are eating the meat, the soup, everything about it is really awesome. I've never tasted it, but according to what they have explained to me, I am able to explain this. But then I will tell you exactly how this soup or this meat is going to taste when it's ready. So as you can see the color. You lift one up this way. As you can see, the meat is turning color, but with the smoke, that smoke is going to give the meat a very nice aroma. Even as I can smell from here, the smell is so nice. So the way she's cooking meat, after she removed it from the banana leaves like roasting, she just put it in the saucepan and then put it on fire and covered it, and that is how it is now. They call it boil. That's how they call it, that we are preparing this meat boil. So there is that small water that after washing the meat it comes with, and that is what you can see there. Otherwise, when she was placing, there was nothing like water. So after that is completely finished, there is some oil that the meat, like the fat from the oil, I mean from the meat, is going to remain down there, and that is when she will know that she's supposed to now put it. So guys, as you can see, there is some oil that has remained on the saucepan. I told you this kind of cooking here, they call it boil. So what she's going to do, she's just going to be putting on the onions. Then she will allow the onions to find its way down by turning the meat so that it can get into that oil, and then she will cover it for a while so that the onion can get ready. So the onions now, they are ready, and it is time to put in the tomato. The turning is to allow the tomatoes to soften and then mixed together to make a perfect soup. She's now adding the traditionally prepared binzari. It has a very nice aroma also, gives a nice aroma to the meat. She then adds in little water and then she will allow the meat to cook. So guys, our sauce is now ready, as you can see, and remember that sauce is purely organic meat. Like the sauce from there was nothing inorganic added. Even the binzari, I mean the curry powder, was traditionally made. The oil from there was natural oil from the meat, and then onion, which was also organic, and then tomato. So the sauce is now ready and we are going to lift it up, waiting for matoke.